Thursday, October 13th, 2016, Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So it's a quarter past 8 a.m. London time. So this is an early market update. I'll first tell you where we are right now. The Dow Jones Industrial Averages, that's down 118 points at 18,027. We got down to 18,008. So down, it was down about 140 earlier. So down 2/3%. S&P is down 16 points, or 0.75% at 21.23, right near the lows of 21.21. The pound is back down after a rally about 24 hours ago. Wednesday night, it's now 121.44. That's down 58 pips, or 0.5%. The lows we're right near the lows here. The other move we've seen today is that the dollar has dropped against the yen. We got up to almost 105. It got up to 104.64. We're now 103.85. We're down 35 pips, or 1/3%. So that's what's happening right now. Silver up 6 at 17.53. So and one of the reasons the stock market is down is that we've had Chinese trade data, and it's been reported by Zero Hedge. Stocks, US dollar yen plunge after dismal China trade data. So the interesting about the trade data is to look at it against the US. So the China-US trade balance came out at $41.9 billion dollars, and it was expected to come out at 53 billion. So what that means is that China is not selling as much to the United States. So what does that mean? That the United States is not buying as much. So it looks like the US economy is not doing as well as we expect. So interesting that looking at the Chinese data, we can tell what the United States economy is doing. So the trade balance globally, I think it's this one is year to date. It was 278 the yuan trade balance globally for the month that they reported was 278.35 billion yuan. It was expected 364.5. So their dollar exports dropped by 10%. Their imports dropped only by 1.9%. So that's why their trade balance went down. So very interesting. So that shows that the US economy is weakening. The fact that they're buying less from the Chinese. That's what I see from this. So yesterday, I only made one video. I mean, the markets were very going nowhere. It was like watching paint dry. Late on in the day, I think around 2 p.m. New York, you had the Fed minutes that came out from the previous meeting, and they weren't as hawkish as people expected, I think. So the stock market rallied a little bit. Gold went up from like 1252 to around 1258. So we saw a little bit of a rally, and even U.S. Treasuries rallied a little bit, and the yields went down. The yields yesterday got up, and when yields go up, of course, the Treasury prices go down. Yields got up to, like the 10-year got up to a recent high of 180, and the 30-year got up to like 252. So that means the prices were falling. But right now, actually, we've dropped back quite a not a huge drop, but it's dropped 6 basis points which is a significant drop. We're now 174 in the 10-year yield, and the 30-year is 247. So we've dropped back about 5 basis points on both of those. So that means the price has gone up. So yeah, as I leave here and I finish this video, gold is trading 1257.50 up 2. We did get up to 1262. But unfortunately, right now, it seems that something capping gold. You know what the something is. The Dow is 18,023, down 122. Silver is 1750, up 3, only 3 cents. And yeah, that's all for now. Just one last thing. Let's see, Bitcoin 635, around 637, so it's still doing fairly well. I think 660 is a price we could see soon, maybe over the weekend. So if you enjoy my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you like to donate to my channel, it's a way of sponsoring my channel. There's some links below in the description. Take care. Bye.